सर बाइक दे रहे हो, बाइक दे रहे हो, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस है?
No, 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 no.
Then why are you driving bike, man? Come here. This is my special R15 special edition. Start the bike when I say. ನಾ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೋ ಆಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್?
Pranav from Bangalore.
Same from Bangalore, same family? No. You come here. You can't wear those. Okay, just keep it here. Punch on these when I say. Okay. What's your name?
Adhira from UP.
UP. Come here, ma. Keep a leg here. You need to add some wind in my movie. थोड़ा हवा बनना है मेरा मूवी में. थोड़ा हवा कम है. Okay? Just you don't need to do that. Just keep a leg here. Come here. Keep a leg here and spin it. Slowly spin it. That's it. Your good name? Come here.
Ankit from Hyderabad.
Ankit, you have very important role. Take this one. This is your gun. When I say to shoot, shoot. Yeah, start the bike. Yeah, on the wing, ma. Last round only roll and chapter, okay? As you can see everyone, we are adding the bike sound with the help of mixer. आप सारे देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे हम बाइक का साउंड ऐड कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे मिक्सर की मदद से. మీరందరూ చూడొచ్చండి మనం బైక్ సౌండ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాము డైలీ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ చేసే మిక్సర్ హెల్ప్ తోని. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬೈಕ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾರಿತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಅದ್ರ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ನಾವು ಬೈಕ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Do you know which is the first Indian movie which is released in India with sound effects? आपको पता है कौन रिलीज हुआ था इंडिया में साउंड इफेक्ट्स के साथ? It's आलम आरा. आलम आरा is the first Indian movie with sound effects which is released in 1931. आलम आरा एक हिंदी मूवी है, रिलीज हुआ था 1931 में साउंड इफेक्ट के साथ इंडिया में. वही था पहला मूवी इंडिया में साउंड इफेक्ट के साथ. या वेट ओके, लास्ट में रहेगा तेरा रोल. या स्पीड इट हार्डर मा, a little bit harder speed. Yeah, that's it. ఆలం ఆరా అనేది ఒక హిందీ మూవీ అండి. రిలీజ్ అయింది 1931లో. మొట్టమొదటి సినిమా ఇండియాలో సౌండ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ తో పాటు రిలీజ్ అయిన మూవీ అది. బీ రెడీ, రేజ్ హ్యాండ్, 1 second. షూట్. యా, వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. అక్కడ పెట్టేసేయాలి. యా, యూ కెన్ స్టాప్ నౌ. You can stop. No, yes. You can join your family, please.